going to see some more words and with some more roots. So the first word that we have is etymology. We have already seen it in the video when we saw all the words together, without the roots. So entomology means study of insects. So first we have an. So an means in, and then tom means cutting. So an insects, we can remember it by this thing, like an insect's body appeared to be cut in three sections: head, thorax, and abdomen. So tom is kind of related to that. Then entomologist is a scientist who studies insects. And then we have insect. So insect comes from in means in means in, and then sectus means to cut. An insect is a creature whose body appears to be cut into sections, uh, like tom and sectus. Then we have ectomy. Ectomy comes from the root like ec, s, ec, or ek, which means out. So here we saw in the last word the root was in, which meant in, and here the root is ec, which means out. So ec means out and tom means cutting. So the meaning is surgical removal by cutting out a body part. So there are many types of many types of this particular word, like tonsillectomy, like removal of the tonsils; appendectomy, removal of the appendix; mastectomy, removal of the breast; hysterectomy, removal of the uterus; prostatectomy, removal of the prostate gland. So these are the words. And then we have eccentric. Eccentric, we have already seen this in the first chapter. Yeah, I guess with egoist and egotist we have seen this word. But since we have the same root, we are revising it again. So here ek means out, and cantron means center, or it can also be centrum, which means center. So meaning someone who is out of the center, unusual, unconventional, or odd. So eccentricity is the quality of being unconventional, or thinking the world revolves around them, and being odd or unusual. Then we have atom. So here a means knot and tom means cut or cutting. Originally meant that which cannot be cut. So since a means knot and tom means cutting, something that cannot be cut further, today we know that atoms can be split, but the name remains the same. Like when atom was found, this name was given because everybody thought that atom cannot be cut furthermore. Like this is the smallest thing that is that is present. But now we know that it can be split, but yeah, the word remains. So atomic means related to atoms. Then we have anatomy. Anatomy is again, ana means up and tom means cut or cutting. So meaning is originally meant cutting up a body to study its structure. Today it means the study of body structure. So anatomical, related to anatomy. Anatomy is the study of body structure. Then we have tome. So yeah, this is the root, like tome means cut, meaning a part cut from a larger work. So its actual meaning is like a part cut from larger work. We have seen like tome cutting, but actual meaning that used in the context it is used in the present time, it means a very large, heavy, or scholarly book. Then we have dichotomy. Dichotomy means comes from dica means two and tom means division into two parts. Example, good or bad, black, white, right and wrong. So dichotomize means to divide into two parts, and dichotomous divided into two parts. Like some particular, like someone said, like in the book it is written that someone said that uh, people, there are two types of people. One type of people thinks that a thing cannot be divided into two parts, and other type of people thinks that a thing can be divided into two parts. So like it basically means that division into two parts, so it's called dichotomy. Then we have epitome. Epitome is a very important word. Epi means upon, tome means cut. A perfect example or the essential summary of something. Like the epitome means, the last summary, or the, most important part or most important summary. Like she's the epitome of kindness. To perfectly represent or ideal example of something is called the epitome of something. Like we read a book and then there is some thought or some idea, so we say that this idea is the epitome of this book, or this particular reasoning is the epitome of this book. So yeah, this is for this video, and we will see some more words in the next video. Bye.